First, open your Start menu. Open your settings. Open System. Go to the Display section. Click on Graphics Settings. In Choose an app to set preference, select Classic app. Now click on Browse. Locate your Call of Duty Modern Warfare installation folder. Select your Modern Warfare executable. Click on Options. Select High Performance. Press Save. Close your settings window. If you don't know where your Call of Duty folder is located, select your Call of Duty game. Click on Options. Click on Show in Explorer. In here you'll find the location of your Call of Duty installation folder. Now you can launch your game. If that didn't work, open GeForce Experience. Click on Drivers. Select if you want an express or custom installation. This will install the drivers for your video card model. Now wait for the drivers to be installed. Restart after it finishes.